Hey guys, today I want to give you kind of an update on my Hollywood story journey. And what I talked about in the last video was how I was trying to get to the A-star status. I did end up getting to that status, and you can click your little icon on the bottom right and then click career, and then you can see the requirements for the next status. So I already have all of the movie requirements and level requirements. All I need is 1 million fans, and I'm getting very close to getting that next star status requirement. I also purchased this beautiful Paris Chateau, and I want to show you guys it. And also in this video, I want to talk about adopting a baby. So once you get the Paris Chateau place, you can click the cell phone icon right there, and you can adopt a baby. It says call for adoption. To adopt a baby, it's 100 diamonds, and then you get to choose your baby. So we are going to go through that in just a few minutes, but I want to show you the chateau. So it's got a lot of turquoise and gold interior, very, very pretty, and some regal paintings. Beautiful outdoor with the little fountain. And then you can go upstairs and you have your vanity, your TV, and you can always decorate and add a bed and stuff like that. And the cool thing about this house, once you get it, there's always a fashion item located in your bedroom. So each day it changes and you're able to get items directly from your home. So that is really, really cool. So we are going to go and adopt a baby now. I'm super excited about this. I don't know what they look like, who I'm going to pick, or anything like that, but I have been waiting to do this because I also have a task requirement from the social worker to adopt a baby. So this will progress us into that storyline. So here we go. We're going to call. Hello, do you want to adopt a baby? Hi. Okay, see, if you say yes, it's 100 diamonds. You're going to click yes. I would love to. Great. Do you have any preferences? I would like... Oh no! It costs more diamonds. Okay, I did not see that coming, but alright. We're going to do a baby boy for 25 more diamonds. I would like a baby boy. Okay, I will bring you the baby soon. Okay, so it looks like you have to wait a full day, 24 hours until you receive your baby. So once I actually do get my baby, I will update you guys on that. And I also want to show you a few items I got. I actually got this pink dress that I'm wearing now through the fan gifts, which is, if you go to mini games, it's the fan gifts one right here. And I clicked redeem and used my coins to get that dress. And you can get a bunch of cool items on here. It just takes a little bit of time to earn those coins when playing fan gifts. So definitely build them up and be wise about your choice because they are kind of hard to get. Another thing I want to talk about is if you have the Hollywood mansion, you can click and go inside and then go upstairs, and this massage table right here gives you energy. Every 10 minutes it will recharge, and you can click the green icon and you won't be using any energy, but you'll do the hot stone massage and you get 5 extra energy. So if you have this, please use it. It is great with earning more energy. So that way you can kind of get through your movies and other tasks like premiere or TV shows or looking for collectibles. Another way to earn energy is if you have the Aspen location. You want to go to the spa, and it is located right here. So you want to go inside and you will talk to her. And I believe I already did this earlier, but you would click her and it costs $8,000 in cash and your energy is fully restored. You can only do this once a day, so every 24 hours, but it is an awesome way to get more energy. Energy in this game goes really, really fast. You're always having to look for collectibles or, audition requirements and using it in each scene, or for premieres or the TV shows like I mentioned. So those are 2 things that you need to be aware of and use if you do have them in order to get more energy. Also, if you go to the casino and use your free spin, you do have the chance to get 10 free energy. So we're going to do our free spin right now and see what we get. I usually get the energy quite often. Not every time, but I do get it pretty often, which is very helpful when, we're always needing energy in this game. So let's click the free roll. And like I said, I just won 10 free energy. So that's really cool. You can spin again and pay 7,500 in cash if you have it, which I really, really like that. The other 2 slots are Divas and Diamond, and both of those you would spend diamonds, but you do have the chance to win a max prize of 50 diamonds or a max prize of 500 diamonds. Now, I do have a trick for the slot machine that I will be posting about here soon. It might take me a week or 2 because it is a little tricky, but it's where you can get double the amount of diamonds for free, double the amount of cash for free, and also star points and collectibles and stuff like that. So that's going to take a little bit more time, but on that trick you do want to already have some diamonds to play with because you will be spending some to win some. Okay guys, I think that's all I have today. I will update you more once I have the baby in 23 hours. I'm so excited to see what my baby looks like and to share this storyline with you. Again, if you play, please add me. I've left my ID in the comments down below, and I would love to have you as a friend on here. That way we can send each other energy boost each day and help each other out with premieres or TV shows. Thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks for Hollywood Story.